Good evening, grade 1. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine today. We are going to take unit number 2, lesson 2, letters and words. We're going to learn about the keyboard and how can we write on notepad. So the first thing I want everyone look at the lesson, listen the lesson very carefully. When I ask you the keyboard keys, you have to tell me the names of the keys, okay? As you guys know, how can we type on notepad? Yes, we learned last time how can we type something on notepad. Today we will learn about the keys, and then I will ask you to write on the keyboard with the help of keys. So as you know all, this is your keyboard. What is it? I want you guys to repeat with me. Keyboard. What is it? Keyboard. Keyboard. Now here we have a different colors of keys on our keyboard. There is a name for every key, so let's one by one learn the name of each key. Do you see here this the long key? The long key. What do we call this long key? There is a specific name of that long key. Yeah, so you guys must know what do we call it. This long key we call it space bar. Space bar. Can you guys repeat it with me? Space bar, space bar. I want everyone to put your finger on your space bar and try to touch it. So you guys know the long key on your keyboard is space bar. What is it? Space bar. Repeat one more time with me. Space bar. With this space bar, we can put the space between two words. For example, I'm writing my name. I cannot write my name together. I must put some space between, yeah? I must put the gap between the two words. So I will use spacebar. I'll write my with M, then press Y, then I press the space bar. So I will get the space. The second key, what if I want to erase something? If I want to erase something, I will use backspace. Backspace. Backspace key. I'll use backspace. Backspace. Everybody repeat backspace. Sometime you find on your backspace key arrows also. This type, different types of arrows on your backspace key. Sometime you find the arrow on your backspace key. This type of arrow that shows you, indicates you the back side. So this is called your back key. Back space. Back space. Back space. Everybody repeat. Back space. Back space. Back space. Now let's repeat the names again. Space bar to put the space. Backspace if you want to erase. If you want to erase any letter, you click the back space. Next, what if you want to go to the new line? You are writing here, my name is Al-Juri, and then you want to move to the new line. So what you do, you press the enter key. The enter key is this, the big key is your enter key. We call it enter key. Enter key, it let you move to the new line. Enter key. Enter key. Enter key. Enter key. This line will help you to move to the next line. So repeat one more time. Space bar, backspace, enter key. Space bar, give you space between two words. Backspace, erase the word or erase the line or erase a letter. How many times you press? Each time it will erase. And enter key will let you move to the new line each time you press it. Now, what if we are writing and we want a capital letter and sometimes we want a small letter? So there is another key, we will press that and it is called caps lock key. with the letter CAP, caps lock key, caps lock key, caps lock key, caps lock key. This key will help you to change the letters from capital to small, small to capital. So what keys we learned today? We learned space bar, backspace, enter key, caps lock key, space bar, backspace, enter, caps lock. Now I'm going to repeat the word and I want you all to press that key. Don't press it, just put your finger on the key. Put your finger on space bar. Put your finger on space bar. I'm looking everybody. Azam, I want you to put your finger on space bar. Everyone, I'm looking who is putting the finger or no. Now put your finger on backspace. Put your finger on backspace. Yes, Selena. Very good, Selena. I can see you. Bravo. Put your finger on backspace. Asil also have a keyboard and Rand is also using keyboard. Bravo, students. Okay, enter key. Put your finger on enter key, the big key, enter key, the green color. So you can move to the next line. Good job, Lema. And Athir, very good. Put your finger on enter key. Nurlan, very good, Nurlan. Very good, students. I can see. Walid, very nice. Walid is also holding a keyboard. Enter key. Now put your finger on caps lock. Caps lock, change your letters from capital to small. Caps lock, caps lock, caps lock. I'm going to ask you the name after I finish. Okay, so last time repeat and then we will open notepad. Space bar, backspace, enter key, caps lock. So very good, students. Now I want everyone to go to your desktop. So let's go to the desktop now. Here is our desktop. Everyone go to your start button on your or your search bar and write here notepad. Notpad. Notepad and open notepad. And here is it. You open the notepad. You can from here maximize the screen. Now I want everyone to write here good morning. Okay, so how we spell good morning? I want G capital. So if you want to write G capital, press caps lock, G capital, then again caps lock because rest of the letters I want it small. OOD, then space bar. So you can keep the space between good and morning. Again, for M capital, again caps lock, ORNING. And move to the next line and write grade. G capital, RADE, again space bar and 1 because you are grade 1. So if you're done writing it, then raise your hand and I want to see how you guys can do it. Thank you.